Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good healthy everyone. First, I want to say thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa taala for this opportunity. Thank you to my supervisor Miss Asrianti Masud and my academic advisor Miss Mila Lestiawati for all your guidance. And thank you to the commit and everyone joined today. My name is Dani Fauzan, student ID 12320600032 from the Biology Education Study Program UIN Sunan Gunung Jati, Bandung. Today, I will present my proposal titled The Effect of CTL Model Based on Guided Inquiry to Improve Students' Critical Thinking Skill. Let's start with the background. In the 21st century, students need to think critical and learning meaningful. But in reality, learning is still teacher-centered. Students are passive, rely on memories, and critical thinking skill remain low. This caused students to struggle with analyzing real-world problems. As a solution, I propose the CTL model based on guided inquiry. This model gives students direct learning experience, train them to investigation and solve problem, and helps improve their critical thinking skill. This study has three research questions. How does CTL guided inquiry affect students' critical thinking skill? How effective is compared to conventional learning? How do students respond to it in ecosystem material? And the objective are to determine the effect of CTL guided inquiry on critical thinking, to analyze its effectiveness versus conventional learning, to measure students' response to the model. This research has theoretical and practical benefit. Theoretical, it contributes to biology education theory and serves as a reference for future reference. Practical, it helps teacher use an innovative learning model, helps students understand ecosystem more deeply, and helps schools improve 21st century learning quality. Several previous students support this research. Alfani and Purnomo, Guide Inquiry Improve Critical Thinking Skill through Investigation. Ismawati, Guide Inquiry was effective. Through Active Explore. Saifuddin and Martin, Guide Inquiry Improve Problem Analyzing and Scientific Conclusion. However, there is a research gap. CTL and grid inquiry are still studied. Their combination, especially on ecosystem material, is very limited. This research gap fill that gap. The framework is based on PAST e-curriculum objective. Student must analyzing interaction between ecosystem components. The experimental class used CTL guide inquiry to five stage. Number one, relation, two, experiencing, three, questioning, four, analyzing, and the last communication. The control class use conventional methods, lecture, Q&A, and assignment. Critical thinking skill is measured using five indicators by Ennis. Analyzing, identification, fact, drawing conclusion, evaluating perspective, and making discussion. Research method. This study use a quantitative quasi-experimental approach, which are pretest, protest, control group designs, experimental class to CTL guide inquiry control class to conventional learning, data collect, pretest and post-test scores, and observation sheet. Population and sample and instruments. Population grade 10 senior high school students semester 2. Sample 2 class of grade 10 MIPA 30 until 36 students age using purposive sampling. In instrumental use post-test and pre-test or multiple choice plus essay. Observation sheet, student response questionnaire, 4 points Likert scale, and the last documentation of learning activities. And data analysis technique. Data will be analyzed using descriptive analysis to mean, standard, deviation, Shapiro-Wilk to normality test, Levin test to homogen test, t-test or Mann-Whitney to hypothesis test, n-gain to measure of improvement quotient to effect size. That is my research proposal. I hope this research can contribute to improving biology education, especially in developing students' critical thinking skills. I know this proposal is still not perfect, so sensory welcome all feedback and suggestion from the commit. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.